Hey teachers, so I'm going to be talking about a tool that I use to help me with distance learning. And what it is it's what I'm using right now. I am recording my screen, and at the same time you can see my picture here in the bottom. And I like to use this to read articles aloud to students, give directions, or give lectures, or talk about maybe some PowerPoint slides that I had created. So what it's called Screencast-O-Matic. So you can type that right into Google, and it's going to be the first thing that pops up. When you open this, you're going to do start recording for free or download or whatever pops up. Then once it's downloaded on your computer, I have to go down to my little browser at the bottom here, and I start typing web launcher. It says web launch recorder or something like that. And then I click on it and click here to launch from the website. For some reason, mine likes to switch to Explorer. And then I click on launch free recorder and it'll start recording. And so that's what tool I'm using. So for example, if a student is required to read a Newsella article and maybe I want to give the accommodation read aloud and I don't want it to sound robotic, I go to the Newsella article, read the title, the picture, and I could just read everything aloud for the student, okay? It's also great for directions or explaining PowerPoints. So I also created a Bitmoji classroom. And so this would be a great tool for me to explain what are all these things in my Bitmoji classroom and what students will be expected to do. And this is just a really great tool for you to use. It's really easy, it's free. Yeah, that's it.